Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about force. Now the push or pull on an object to bring a change in state of rest or motion is called force. Basically force is a push or pull. To understand this, consider this ball. As you can see, it is not moving. So it is in state of rest, you can say. So what I have done? I had just applied force and start moving, and while it start moving I had again applied a force here, just see, and it has changed its direction, and you can see, and by applying my force while it was moving I again apply a force and it stop moving. Likewise you can see this balloon, and if you will see, I am just able to change its shape by application of the force. So what is force? It is a push or pull which can make a stop object moving or stop the moving object, change the direction of any object, change the shape of any object, and several other things. Now effect of force. Now what effect can a force have? It causes motion. Force causes motion. As you can see, this ball is in a state of rest as it is not moving or changing its place with respect to any other object. Now if I applied a force here, now it starts moving, so it comes in motion. So we can say force causes motion. Now you can see this ball is moving slowly and I applied force here and start moving fast, and then I applied force, now speed again changes. So we can say force can increase or decrease speed. Now next is change direction. Ball is coming like this and it will hit the ball. As you can see, ball was coming like this and I hit the ball, and the ball this goes to this direction. So we can see that force can change direction of an object. Likewise, I have shown you balloon that I was just able to just change the shape of an object by applying force. So this force can change the shape of an object. Like I can show you this rubber band. I had applied force and its shape is changed, and when I release it, it again came back to its original shape. Now what other thing? What is the effect of force? We have seen, but suppose we are applying force on this, what about its mass? Will its mass get changed? No. Whatever force we apply, force has no effect on mass of the body, means whatever its mass is, it will remain same. Now what is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton, whose symbol is capital N. Now what is 1 Newton? Now, and let me tell you before discussing what is 1 Newton, Newton is named after the famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Now let us define 1 Newton. 1 Newton is the approximate force applied to lift an object of mass 100 gram. What it means कि 1 Newton जितना 100 ग्राम मास का उठाने में, लिफ्ट करने में जितना अप्रॉक्सीमेट लगभग जितना फोर्स लगाते हैं, दैट वी कॉल इट 1 Newton. और this is a vector quantity. Now what is vector quantity? Those quantity which is having magnitude as well as direction. Means magnitude, whatever the numerical value, suppose I am talking about 5 Newton force, so here magnitude is just 5, and whenever there is magnitude along with the direction, यानी हम direction भी consider करते हैं, तो these are called vector quantity. So force is a vector quantity.